Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to use or how to optimize the clean audio function in the Kapwing Video Editor. Unfortunately, there are no options. I've been talking to the support. Unfortunately, they seem not to be willing to add some options here. So we have to deal with the default settings. As far as I know, it's some kind of an AI cleaning, so it tries to analyze what's on the audio track and then tries to clean, and that sometimes causing huge problems. So I'm showing you here two extreme clean results, and I'm trying to explain you why this is, and so we can better deal with that. So here we have two clips, one at the beginning and one at the end. What's also some kind of a little bit of a problem is that we cannot only clean just one part. Let's say we split the video here and want to clean just a small part. That's not possible. It's always cleaning the whole source from the beginning till the very end. And so what's the most important thing is the start of the video. I'm going to show you why. So this is the end of the first clip, and I've started recording in a pretty quiet environment, so I'm playing that here for you.
Hi guys, welcome to this short.
Hi guys, you can hear that, so I stop this again. You have been able to hear that there was absolutely no background noise. So while I was recording, at some point the AC started running in the background, probably somewhere here. So what I do, I remove the clean audio and play that here. Yeah, so you heard that at the beginning, no AC, and here there was the AC.
Yeah, that should
definitely hearable. And what I did then, of course, I clicked on clean audio, and it did a really good job, so you can hear that now. Okay, pretty good. And what's also really good is the result. So I stopped talking here and play this for about 2 or 3 seconds.
or like quiet background, so I'm going to.
So I hope you heard that it was pretty much my natural voice. Now I'm going to the second clip also with the cleaned audio. So now I'm playing the sample here.
Sharp. The thing is also when you think,
and it's a crazy difference, so it removed all the bass sound. So I'm going to play a couple of times behind each other, left, right, so you can hear that better.
Think okay, when the AC will be is when I expect now the video and then expect the noise again, and when I.
Okay, I hope you heard the difference. You can see here we have the cleaned audio and here we have the cleaned audio, and it's from the same microphone, same distance, just a couple of minutes apart. So why do we have this crazy difference? I mean, when I remove the noise reduction, I hope you can hear that there was the AC in the background. Yeah, you heard that. So I removed that, but the voice here sounds almost like Mickey Mouse. And here on this clip, it sounds very natural. So why is that? My theory is that it is because of the beginning. The first video started without the background noise, and so the AI had enough possibility to analyze my voice. And so when in the sudden the AC started, it remembered how my voice sounds, and it kept the tone pretty natural. Not so much with the second clip, because the second clip started already with the AC, and so the AI had no chance to figure out what my voice is, and so it had to just assume something, and it removed totally the bass sound, I mean the lower part of my voice, and made it into Mickey Mouse. That's crazy. So what do we learn from that? Never start recording when there is some background noise, because then the AI can't figure out what's really your voice, unfortunately. And unfortunately you cannot manipulate that or so, because the clean audio function always starts at the beginning of the source video, like here or here. No matter what you do, even if you shorten that or whatever you do, it will always start right here at the start of the source video. and nowhere else. So again, my advice is to never start recording when there is some background noise. You can start recording when it's quiet, and it doesn't matter when there is then in a sudden some background noise like a fan starting, AC starting, maybe some traffic or so. It shouldn't be a big problem unless it is too loud, but never start recording when you have already the background noise. That's my big advice here. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or any other solutions, suggestions or opinions, whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.